Scott Sylvan Bell coming back from Sacramento, California, July 2nd, 2016. I don't know, 10:46 in the morning. Perfect day to talk about sales. And we're talking about spec work and all the ins and outs of it. So spec work is when somebody contacts you or they put up some information on a website and says, if you do this project for free, then there's a possibility I might pay you if I like it, okay? So if you are going to enter into spec work, you should have legal representation or something signed. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, my name's Scott. I do sales training, but I am not an attorney. So I'm not giving you legal advice. I'm just saying, hey, look, it might be a really good idea if you're doing spec work and that's what you want to do, to possibly have somebody look at it legally to find out what the ins and outs are. Because a lot of times, you do this work for somebody, you're signing over the rights. You're signing over, think of a national brand. Think of something where they have a logo. And just think like if they did that on spec work, right? And then like all of a sudden they're a multi-billion-dollar company and you gave them that logo and you never got paid for it, but you signed your rights away because that's what you did. You have nowhere to go. And so sometimes, like for me, my training, I've had people tell me, like, I want you to come train my organization. Okay. And then I have my attorney look at the contract, and then for whatever reason, they want to retain all my rights and ownerships to my sales lessons. I'm like, what? No, that doesn't make sense. I've worked with you one time and you paid me a flat fee of this and you want to own all of my rights? Never. No, we're going to cross that thing off. That ain't going to happen. I had a friend that happened to him in a book deal, that he got a really good book deal and it looked awesome. And by the time that he looked at it, he couldn't give any performances without their permission once they published the book. It was crazy. It was crazy. So get representation, right? Once again, not an attorney, can't give you legal advice. That's not what I do. You want a recipe? I can do that. You want to buy something? I can do that, okay? But figure out what's going on. If there's legal issues, you might want to pay somebody to read them. And sometimes, if it gets too complicated, it's just like, hey, that's not worth my time and effort. Just know that that's what you got to do, okay? If you could do a small favor for me, in the box down below, leave a comment, question, or story. It'd be fantastic. To the right or to the left, there's a subscribe button. You know what you got to do. You got to subscribe. And then you can send it out to all your friends via StumbleUpon, Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Why not even LinkedIn? Scott Sylvan Bell. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Aloha.